All right, good afternoon, YouTube people. It is Friday. See, I'm 3D printing. Turn it off because I just ran a 20 hour print. So I do have some upgrades for this. I have to replace the belts. So right in there, the belt's pretty jacked up, and right in here, boop, right there, the belt's jacked up. So anyway, I got belts for this. Can't remember. Oh, here it is. So I got the belts. So this is 5 meters of 6mm belt. I have this is gonna go on here. Finally have some parts. Guys, somewhere over here. Let's open this little package. So end up ordering the parts. Yeah. Anyway, this is a whole right here. This whole piece is this piece. So basically what I'm going to do, I think it is, it's basically a whole new gear, bearing, screws, springs. I think the springs are for the bed. Stiffer springs, some tubing. This is supposed to be a certain brand tubing, but I'm sure it's a knockoff. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much all I got in that package. And then we have the Sabiga box. Trying not to show my name or anything. But anyway, that's my name right there. That's my name. Right? I don't know. Maybe that's my name. Anyway, yeah, this is going to be an unboxing of a new 3D printer. So, let me move some stuff around and cut this open. I ended up getting this on eBay, as I get everything from. So, no sponsor here. No sponsors ever, except for myself. But yeah, they say it was remanufactured, or whatever you want to call it. Remanufactured, let's just say. Let's see. I can't do this straight. Anyway, it was remanufactured, returned, blah, 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 yada, yada. And we're going to see... Am I dropping? Oh, magnets. Magnets are falling. We're going to see what's in it. Okay. So it said used. Looks like that's kind of scratched up on the rail, but the glass chingalingi looks to be in good condition. I did order blue, but they said they don't have any more blue, and they had red and black, and I was like, oh yeah, red and black. Those are my colors. Anyway, let's see if I can't set you guys up somewhere to watch an unboxing somehow. You guys might hear rain, you might hear snow. I don't want to hear snow, but I'm in the shipping container, and it's raining. It was snowing pretty good on the way home. So you want to take this out via the rails, apparently, what I've watched on the YouTubes. And this is loose, obviously. We got springs and all kinds of other stuff. So wiring. So I guess you have to adjust these wheels from what I've been reading and researching. But it doesn't look bad. Definitely need to print some stuff for it though. I was trying to print it on the other one, but I was having technical difficulties. Alright, is that a clip for the whatever you call it, the table. So we got a box. Supposed to be stuff in here, tools, whatnot. There's some pink filament. There's a little screwdriver, zip ties, a wrench. And that looks like a, oh yeah, it's a nozzle cleaner. Almost stabbed myself with it. Yeah, that's fun and exciting. Instructions. Some more little cutters. I like these cutters. Pretty cool. It's a filament holder. You can print something with bearings so it rolls smoother, so it's not having that friction. So anyway, I'm gonna print that. Power cord, USB cord, micro USB to a USB dongle or whatever you want to call it. It's supposed to be in this bag. Let's see what else. Looks like we got some bolts, nuts, some Allen wrenches, some ball end Allen wrenches. So these are the little side brackets, a little end stop on that one. And they give you an extra, I think it's they call it's for the filament. So when you run out of filament, it shuts the machine off. So I think they give you an extra one. I could be wrong. We'll have to check and see if it has it. But pretty cool little ball end Allen wrench set. The bolts, mount the key, and a putty knife. Yeah, woo, putty knife. What's up, putty? Set this over here, and we'll take the power chimney thing out. If I can get it out. Made in China. The company that it is Longer. This is a Longer LK1. Smells like electric in there. One thing you want to check is make sure it's on your 120 volt, blah blah, or 110 instead of 220. So it says 220, but inside there it says 230, and it says 115. That says 110, whatever. Wiring looks to be all here. I'm just wondering why it was returned or not returned. Maybe it was for demonstration purposes, but it's got a little TCF, whatever, touchscreen. Not the coolest, but whatever. They say there's a lot of glitches with it. More of this junk. This comes out. And to pull this out. So I'm just grabbing it on the frame rails. Some videos I watched, I see you grab it on the frame rails. Don't grab, obviously you don't want to grab the rod that has a lot of grease. You do have screws. However, this screw's missing. There's supposed to be a screw there. And that screw's missing also. So, cool. I don't have to take those out. What else we got in here? Made a little paper clip. And dropping no crap. There's something in there. I don't know what it is. Something up there. Oh. It's just cardboard. Cardboard for the bottom, cardboard for the corners. So let me throw this box somewhere. I was hoping to find the screws for the Z axis. Anyway, yeah, got magnets holding stuff down. Anyway, I'm not sure if you can still see what I'm doing, but let's go right there. So basically, what you do, you take the bottom piece. You can see, I don't know if you can see or not, how much bigger it is than the one I currently have. I'll show you guys real quick. So this is 220 millimeters by 220 millimeters. This is 300 by 300. So it's a little bit bigger, 80 millimeters bigger. So I'll try to film this and get it going. Yeah, so we need the screws and Allen wrenches and some other stuff. So I'm trying to just figure out which screws go in there. You got 1, 2, 3, 4 big ones, and then 8 smaller ones. So it looks like the bigger ones go on the bottom. So I'm going to take this. Pretty sure it goes like this. I'll have to line this up. Yeah, so it does come with the filament. I don't know, whatever it's called, whatever I called it earlier. It comes with it, and it comes with the new one. So I'm just trying to do this quick. Shouldn't take too long to assemble. If I can get these screws to go in. Okay, there's one. And it's the bigger Allen wrench. I'm not going to tighten it down all the way until I get all the bolts in. Anyway, you guys get the idea of it. Not really that hard. And then you have to stick these corner pieces on. These pieces, one goes over there, one goes over there. This is an in stop, so I'm assuming it goes over there, where all the wiring is. So, not sure yet if I'm going to do a self-leveling bed, but as of right now, who knows. So, like I said, I'm just gonna snug the bolts up. Snug them up real quick. Not doing tight, but just snugging and rubbing. So I'll get everything on. Okay. So this is what I'll be doing all weekend. All weekend. That's pretty good. Hard to get this screw to go in. It's not. Okay, there we go. I found its home. Anyway, I'm gonna get it all set up. I don't really need to do. You can Google videos, whatever. I'm gonna get it all set up, and I'll be back once I power this beast on. I don't want to make this video too long. I hate long videos. You guys tell me if you're interested in long videos. I'm not. I'll be back.